Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can send crypto from the Coinbase application to the Coinbase wallet. It's super easy and it works with any other wallet as well. This is the process. So first what you're going to want to do is you're going to sign up or log into your Coinbase account and you're just going to click on send. When you click on send, the Coinbase account will basically ask for a wallet address. They'll ask the cryptocurrency that you wish to send and they'll ask the network that you wish to send it on. And let's go get all of this information from the Coinbase wallet. So you're going to open the Coinbase wallet application. This is how it will look like when you're creating a brand new wallet. I'm going to create a brand new wallet right now. After the brand new wallet has been created, this is what it's going to look like. Now you can click on add crypto, you can click on receive crypto, and these are the addresses of my Coinbase wallet. So first, what I can do is I can just go ahead and copy the Solana address, go over to my Coinbase application. Here, just when I'm clicking on send, it's asking me the wallet address. I have the wallet address now and I can choose the Solana network and I can choose Solana to send. And when I click on send, it's basically going to send all of that to my Coinbase wallet. And that's how you can send crypto from your Coinbase account to your Coinbase wallet. Thank you for watching, everybody.